Need to connect broker account to MetaTrader 5? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can do it. Start by heading over to your application MetaTrader 5. Make sure you have already installed the application. Enter a login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on New Account at the very top. Now in the search bar, search for the broker account that you want to connect. Let me search for FTMO for now. Once you have searched for it, click on it. Now in order to connect it, you have to enter your login credential as in your username and the password of your account. Once you have entered your login credential, tap on Sign In at the bottom of the screen. After that, you will be connected to your broker account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.